So, chapter 356 of knocking noises on the Ford Kuga. Last video I did on this, I found that the shock absorbers were knackered, the front top mounts were knackered, so they were replaced, but I still had a little knock on the back end, and it was these. So just taking it for a drive, and that really fucking irritating constant knocking noise is gone now. Now these don't look like much, but these are your rear shock absorber top mounts. Now the new ones, when you get them, you know, they look very similar. You know, you can't really see a difference in wear or whatever that's obvious. But I've changed them. The knocking noise is gone. So yeah, if you've got a Mark II Kuga and you've changed drop links and checked for broken springs and looked at control arm bushes and all that, and you've still got a knocking noise, have a look at these. But like I say, just looking at them, you wouldn't tell they were fucked, apart from a bit of aluminium corrosion and stuff on them. But the new ones have gone on, and I can actually drive the thing now without it doing my fucking head in.